Hi everyone, it's Adam and Dino. And Dino is here because we're going to talk about friendship skills today. Specifically, sharing. Sharing? What is sharing? Well, sharing is where you have something and then you share it with somebody else so that I use it and you use it. And so both people get to enjoy whatever it is. It could be some type of food, it could be some type of toy or a tool or whatever it is, but you both get to use it. What? Let's try it. I have this pen, and here's this example. I'm doing my homework, but you have no pen. Yeah, I can't do my work. But if I share this, you can suddenly do your work, and then you can just, oh, look at you. You're writing your answers down right there. Yup, you shared with me. I did. So that would be one example there. Or I could be playing a game on my phone. Beep, bop, boop, boop, ba doop. Hey! And you might want to use it. So I could share the phone and then you could play too. I think I'm getting it. You want to try one more? Okay, yes. All right. I actually heard a rumor that you like chips. Is it true? Yes, it is. Well, that's really fun because guess what? I'm more than willing to share with you. Every time I see chips, I get hungry eyes. Hungry eyes? What do you mean? It makes me just want to say, hungry eyes. What? Well, look at you and I can't disguise. I got hungry eyes. Who is this guy? I feel the magic between you and I. Oh, chippers. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. You really do get excited about chips. So much even your eyes get hungry, more than your belly. But I like that you shared. I know. I thought you would like that too. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm glad I could share with you. So it could be a pen. It could be a cell phone, or it could be a bag of delicious chips that are suddenly dinosaur eaten. So, I was hungry. I can tell. Guess what? You can share too, and it's a great way to be a good friend. Have a wonderful day. Bye.